Installation of Raspbian Operating System. In this section, I will teach you how to install Raspbian Operating System for Raspberry Pi using the Noobs. Noobs is an easy operating system installer which contains Raspbian. We use SD card to store all the operating system and the related files on Raspberry Pi, and this SD card will also act as drive to store user-related programs or files we create on Raspberry Pi. First, we will format the SD card to make it ready to install the operating system. For this, we need SD card formatter to format the SD card completely. So let's download it first. Open the browser and type SD card formatter. Click on the first link. On left hand side, you will see SD card formatter for Windows download. As here I am using Windows operating system, so I am downloading it for Windows. You can also download it for Mac operating system. Now just click on Accept and you can see it started downloading. Once downloading gets over, open the download folder. Now extract the downloaded file and run the setup to install it in the system. Wait for some time while it gets installed. SD card formatter is now installed. Now connect the SD card using SD card adapter with laptop. Click on the Start menu. There, you can see SD card formatter. Just click on it to open. Click on Refresh. It will automatically detect the SD card connected to the laptop. Click on Options and choose Format Type as Full Erase and Format Size Adjustment as On. Click on Format. It will start formatting the SD card. Now SD card is formatted. Now go to the browser and type Download Noobs for Raspberry Pi. Click on raspberrypi.org link. There you can see the option to download latest version of Noobs. Click on Download Zip. It will start downloading. This is of around 1 GB, so it will take time to download. Once you are done with the downloading, it will be there in the Downloads folder. Open the download folder, right-click on the Noob zip file and extract the files. Select the SD card as path to extract the files so that it will extract directly in the SD card. You can see the files got extracted in the SD card. Now remove the SD card from your laptop and connect to the Raspberry Pi. Connect Raspberry Pi with the monitor and connect keyboard and mouse to install the operating system. Just power on the Raspberry Pi and monitor. You can see the installation screen. Select Raspbian Operating System, language as English US and keyboard as US and click on Install. You can see the OS start installing. It will take some time. Till then you can have a cup of tea. Once installation gets over, you can see the pop-up OS installed successfully. Click OK. It will now start booting up the Raspberry Pi. If you have done everything right, it should now start up and you can see a screen like this on boot up. If you are facing any problem or error in installing the operating system, then you can ask us. To use internet on Raspberry Pi, click on Network option. Then choose the Wi-Fi network you want to get connected with. Just enter the security password and click OK. You can see that it shows connected to the Wi-Fi network. As we are using Raspberry Pi 3, here it comes with the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If we are using older versions of Raspberry Pi, then you need to connect Wi-Fi adapter. Now we are going to configure network IP both for internet and Wi-Fi so that we can connect Raspberry Pi with laptop or mobiles. It's not required to use monitor screen every time. So now let's configure it first. Open the terminal and type sudo nano/etc/network/interfaces to configure network IP address. Scroll down the file, you will see ETH0. Type auto ETH0 and replace manual with static. Write the following lines as I am writing. Address 192.168.137.105. Gateway 192.168.137.1. Net mask 255.255.255.0. Network 192.168.137.0. Broadcast 192.168.137.255. Now, do the same for Wi-Fi WAN. Replace manual with static and then add the following lines. Address 192.168.1. 210. Net mask 255.255.255.0. Gateway 192.168.1.1. As my gateway address is 192.168.1.1, just make sure with your gateway address before configuring. Now press Ctrl+X to save the file, followed by typing Y. Raspberry Pi is now successfully installed with the OS, and we have configured it to use it with your laptop. Now type sudo shutdown now. To shut down your Raspberry Pi and remove it from the display monitor.